We talked about a sell entry below 1814 levels for gold, support at 180810 and then 180405 levels precisely achieved the same. And yes, not to forget, only buy entry was above 1820. It failed to breach those levels. I hope you all profited, and likewise look at crude oil too. I told you to watch out for 76.8 and 77.2 zone. Certainly, it is precisely at the same levels. Now, what to expect with the US session for crude oil and gold, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, and which will keep you updated with the twice a day analysis which I share for gold and crude oil. This is the second analysis for the day. First analysis is already released 10 hours back. Let's start. First we'll look into gold, followed with crude oil. Watch till the end. Listen to it carefully. Note down the levels. Trade as per the levels. Now see, there was a breach till 180405 levels in gold. That is first and most important part. Next is the consolidation happening at 1808, 1810 levels, which is certainly a very good resistance. Now see, this slide was a spontaneous slide and it immediately reversed the losses there and came back to the normal levels. Now again it is trying to consolidate. Now look at the hourly chart. See, the drop there expanded the Bollinger Bands. Now it is again getting the support here at 1808. Also, if you look at, lower highs are seen, and hence you have to be watchful. Yes, you can buy here at 1815 levels, above which you can expect 1820, the same levels. Yesterday evening, the US session analysis, we talked about the same thing, and today again the same levels going to hold true. You can buy at 1815, but be cautious for 18-18-20 zone. Only above 18-20 it is going to show a little strength. Now see, on the hourly charts, almost the bottom symmetrical is done. Now I'll look forward which direction it tries to take. Let's have a detailed look for the directional movement. Bearish, stochastic comfortable. The MACD is divergent and bearish on the hourly charts, but look at the candles. This is almost flattened here. RSI is also looking down. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, now see, on the 2-hour charts, lower highs. Yes. Second thing is, this is the first candle post a doji, and this is the second candle, which means it can try to stretch the drop there, but then may keep itself engulfed within the previous candle. Hence 1804, 1805 going to be a very good support, and below that we may see it hitting 1800, 1801 levels. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic was oversold. It has recovered a bit. The MACD has crossed over for a sell entry again. It is trading with little divergence. RSI also looking down, indicating little bearishness. Now look at 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, first thing is that the symmetrical move is done. Next is, see, the candle size almost symmetrical here. So what was the preceding candle to this? Was a red candle, which means the preceding following candle from here can be a greener candle, which may try to again pull it back till towards 1815 levels. If you look at the directional movement is bearish, but see, if it breaks on the downside below 1808 and then 1805, certainly we are looking forward to a sharper drop there. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic has dropped a bit, has come to comfortable levels, trying to reverse. MACD trying to converge, crossover for a sell. And if you look at RSI, this is also again has come back to the bottom there. Now look at the 4-hour chart. How beautifully charts get formed. Almost similar formation. This candle can also might get closed here and then possible reversal if at all it is trying to form a symmetry here. Yes, you can buy at 1815, above which, yes, 1820 levels again very good resistance, and then 1823-28 will be seen. 1823-28 is a very good resistance levels. Beyond that only we may see it reversing. Also, if you look at the candle, see, this candle is opened below lower highs, means possibly it can try to stretch, and if you see it trading below 1807 levels, you can sell for 1805 or 1804 and then 1801 levels. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic at bottom. MACD trying to converge, crossover. It is still in green. RSI is trading at bottom. And if you look at the daily charts, now see, on the daily charts, 100 period moving average has provided it a good resistance. It tried to reverse yesterday and traded with a drop. Now again looking down, it has achieved lower lows and lower highs. Yes, there is a potential 1800 1801 level certainly be a very good support level, and below that, as those who watch my weekly analysis must recall, 1788 1791 levels. So you can sell here at 1807, expect 1804, 1800, and then 1790 and 1788 levels. In fact, you can keep the shorts till tomorrow. And on the upside, you can buy at 1815 levels and then expect 1818, 1820 as the next resistance zone. Only beyond 1820, we can expect that it is going to fly for. See, this time if it breaks past 1820, 22, you can expect that the next candle might take it for 1830 level. It can show you sharp reversal. Hence, just be watchful, just be cautious here at 1808, 18010 zone. See, on the daily charts, it is bearish. It is oversold on the daily charts as well. The MACD is bearish still. It is trying to converge. RSI is also trading oversold, and hence a possibility of a reversal exists, but then trade as per the levels. Buy at 1815, sell at 1807, in between 1800 and rather I will say 1788-90 zone and 1830 levels. Do not keep your trades open, keep booking the profits. Now let's have a look at crude oil. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts on 13th of March. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at US crude. In the morning I told you once it stays beyond 76.2 you can buy for 76.8 and then 77.2 levels, and beyond which 77.2 is almost done, and beyond which certainly we can expect it to achieve 77.8, 78 levels, which is the next resistance zone. If you look at crude's movement, yes, see, bullish candles here, bullishness was diminishing sideways, and then this breakout has happened. Now it is clearly given a stronger breakout on the upside. This is a good resistance zone here at 77.2, beyond which we can expect little more bullishness, might take it for 77.6, 77.8 and 78 levels. If you look at directional movement, this is crossed over for a bullish move. Stochastic on the hourly charts is overbought, which might bring the price a little down. The MACD is divergent and bullish, looking upwards. RSI is also looking upwards, showing a little strength. If you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, certainly higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. This is trading outside Bollinger Bands, which means it can potentially get a downward pull. And now you can sell here at 76.5 for 76, 75.5, and only below 75 we can expect little bearishness. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, looking upwards. RSI is also looking upwards here. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, certainly two bullish candles. The third candle might also appear, and if you look at the candle size, almost $0.50 move on every candle. Now it is looking forward to 77.5 77.5 levels. Beyond that, certainly 77.8, 78 zone can be seen. 78 is a very good resistance. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic overbought on the 3-hour charts. The MACD is divergent bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is also trading flat here. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, increasingly see 4 candles in green, increasing body size. Now if it breaks past 77.2, you can expect 77.5, and only if it trades above 77.5, you can expect that we might see 78 soon. Remember, 78 is a very stronger resistance here, and right now it is trading in this bullish channel. 77.5, certainly 77.5, 78 zone, which is going to remain a very stronger resistance. And yes, a sell entry here at 76.5 exists. Only below 76.5 I will recommend you to sell here. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic entering overbought zone, MACD bullish, RSI looking up. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts, couple of greener candles, then retracement, now higher highs. This is also the 20 period moving average, which is at 77.3. 3, and then the resistance from the 50 period moving average at 77.8. Hence it has to break past 78 levels in order to confirm the reversal, in order to confirm the rise. In the morning I told you, see here also it is trying to form a symmetry here, and possibly this may try to achieve 77.8, 78 zone. So if you see it trading above 77.2, you can stay long for 77.5 and 77.8 levels, beyond which certainly little more bullishness once it breaks past 78 levels. Directional movement, bearish, stochastic looking up, MACD trying to cross over for a buy. And if you look at the RSI, this is also looking upwards. Considering this, sell at 76.5, buy at 77.2 levels. On the upside till 78, you have to keep a trailing stop loss. Only above 78, little more bullishness is seen. On the downside, sell at 76.5, expect 76.2, 75.8, 75.5, and then 75. Only below 75, little more bearishness is seen. In the morning analysis, in the weekly analysis, every time I have told certain observation, higher lows are seen. 74 levels, very good support. It is trying to consolidate lower highs, higher lows. On the upside, be watchful of 79-80 zone. On the downside, 74-75 zone. Let's see which direction it goes. Trail with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.